Hey guys, welcome to my first Let's Code series. I thought it'd be a good idea to start with something fun like the PlayStation 4 menu, something we've all seen and become very familiar with. Also, I've seen a lot of other series where the coder obviously already knew ahead of time what to do because he's probably already done it. And instead of that, I thought we'd take a different approach where I would record the entire process from the beginning so you can see me getting stuck, you can see me problem solving, and just generally getting frustrated since that's 90% of coding. And for those of you that may not be interested in that, you just want to know how it's done, I'll probably be adding timestamps or something, some kind of a solution for you. Also, I will be attempting to code out the entire PlayStation menu, so maybe even including things like opening your messages and seeing an array of messages and notifications. But for sure, we will be adding the content pop-up on the bottom when, say, you select what's new or the PlayStation Store, and those things like the bottom panel moves upward and it has content in it. We'll definitely be doing that for phase 2. We will also be adding the sound effects for the PlayStation menu as you're navigating. We're gonna add the notification, like the new message pop-up that pops up on the top left, loading animations, all those cool things. But as far as phase 1, it does include everything you see here. So the top menu is all done, the notification number, the counter is customizable, the message, the username, the image for the username, the clock actually works. And this is navigatable with the arrow keys, which is pretty cool. And you know what? Somebody suggested we should add the PS4 controller support to it, and we will be doing that because there is an API. So with all that out of the way, let's get started.